Hey guys, welcome to this update. We're always here to give you the realest gist of waiting they happen as E Dey Hot. This is Davido's reaction as he first enters helicopter Uber. Omo, it seems na shiver be this, so certain dey shiver. E be like say the cold too much. Even you sef, if na you dey there, you for shiver pass like this. Now guys, I want you guys to drop your opinions and comments because they are very important and necessary on this. Let's talk about this. Let's share this together. But as you are doing that, don't forget to subscribe on this channel by clicking on that bell notification icon so that anytime I drop sweet gist like this for you, you'll be notified. Thank you guys. As you watch, enjoy your video, enjoy it well as we carry on the bottle of action.